How to fix Skype cannot share screen. To fix this issue, first of all, you have to understand that the Skype application has been discontinued and is now integrated into the Microsoft Teams. So to fix this issue, you simply have to grant the permission to display over other applications. You simply have to go ahead and open your device's native settings application. From here, tap on the search bar at the top, then type application. Once you search for this, you simply have to go ahead and open this application panel, then tap see all. You can use the search bar at the top to search for Microsoft Teams. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on this. Now you simply have to go ahead and scroll down until you find the advanced options over here. Now you simply have to go ahead and tap on this display over other applications and make sure that this feature is turned on. Once you do this, you simply have to relaunch your application and your problem should be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.